Hi, this is Illinois injury attorney Scott DeSalvo. Are you or your family dealing with a nursing home abuse or neglect situation? If you or a loved one has been injured due to nursing home abuse or neglect, you probably have 1,000 questions and worries, such as, how can we prove what happened? Do we have a good case? How can we get our loved one into a different facility? How can I make sure our rights are protected? What's a fair settlement in my case? What if there's no nursing home insurance? And how can I know if I'm being taken advantage of? And you probably have dozens of other unanswered questions and worries in your situation. You need answers, but you probably don't want the hassle of calling a lawyer who may charge you a fee, give you a hard sell to try and hire him, or follows up with endless telephone calls and questions. I'm about to share with you the insider secrets about nursing home abuse and neglect cases and claims that many lawyers don't even know. This information will answer your questions and concerns and does not require that you call and talk to anyone, and it's 100% easy and free for you to do. I'll warn you though, this is a limited time offer, and when it's over, and it's only being extended for people in Illinois and only for families who have been injured or with a loved one who has been harmed by nursing home abuse or neglect, who need to learn how to protect their rights. Let me be completely honest, I get calls every month from people who did not know these secrets before calling me, and not knowing this information ruined their cases. You're probably losing sleep at night and worrying during the day about what your rights are, what you're supposed to be doing next, and whether you're going to be cheated out of what the law says is owed to you and your family. Having this information is essential to anyone who's been injured or whose loved one has been injured. It can literally mean the difference between winning and losing a nursing home abuse and neglect claim. That's why I put this information together to help people protect their right to recovery, which they're entitled to under the law, and I'm offering it free of any charge or obligation. I'm offering you my new book, The 5 Biggest Secrets of Illinois Injury Cases and Claims. Now, I'll tell you, this is not a fancy law book. It's a conversational style book that's easy and fun to read, but it highlights the 5 biggest roadblocks, mistakes, and pitfalls people who've been injured make, and it shows you the tips and tricks you need to protect your rights. You'll also get my audio CD and special report, Insurance Secrets Exposed. So if you don't want to sit down and read a book or read a report, you can listen and still get this must-have, exclusive, and essential information that not 1 in 10,000 people knows about how these claims work. Among many other things, you will learn what to say and what never to say to an insurance adjuster or the people at the nursing home, what papers are okay to sign and which will end your case before it even begins, filing deadlines that can mean the death of your case if you miss them, what insurance companies and nursing homes really think of you, your loved one, and your case, and the one step to take that gives you the best peace of mind if you have a nursing home abuse and neglect situation. The best part, you can get all of this 100% free and for no obligation at all. There's no one to talk to, no one will ask you any questions or hassle you. You're getting this information as a public service from me so that people like you who were injured or have a family member who was harmed by a nursing home are on a fair level playing field. But I can't offer all of this for free forever, so please take advantage now while it's still available. You get the book and the audio CD shipped out to you via first-class mail. Just call my toll-free 24-hour recorded message line at 866-861-1296. All you do is leave your full name and mailing address, and the book and CD will be shipped out to you at no cost to you and with no obligation. And believe me, I take free and no obligation very seriously. No one's going to call you to ask questions about your claim or to bother you. The number, 866-861-1296. So why should you listen to me? Well, I've been practicing injury law on behalf of injured people in Illinois for more than a decade, and I've personally handled more than 1,000 injury cases, and that includes nursing home abuse and elder abuse and neglect cases. And I've spoken with thousands more people who didn't know the secrets and the rules of injury cases, and not knowing, they paid for it. In some instances, they lost their cases, or their case value was greatly reduced. Please don't let this happen to you. And you don't have to just take my word for it. You can see what my clients say about me on my website, www.desalvolaw.com. I've seen the problems people run into in nursing home abuse and neglect cases, and I know how to fix them. So there's no reason why you shouldn't have this information too. My personal guarantee is that after you order your free, no-obligation book and CD, no one from my office is going to call you to pressure you to hire me, or to ask for more information about your claim or injury, or to bother you in any way. The only exception is if we didn't catch your full name or your proper full mailing address, we may call you so that we're able to send the package out to you, but that's it. Your information remains 100% safe with me. I don't share it with anyone, and I don't tell anyone that you ordered the book and the CD. Now, I might send you a holiday card, or a telephone message or newsletter to say hello or happy holidays, but that's about it. No one is going to call and hassle you. I also guarantee that you're going to enjoy the materials I send you. You're going to learn new things that will help you protect yourself and your family, and you're going to feel more calm, more confident, and have a better idea of what you should and should not be doing and what's going to happen next in your injury claim. To order now, free and no obligation, call 866-861-1296. It's a recorded message line where you just leave your name and mailing address. Again, 866-861-1296. Even if you don't like the book and CD, what do you have to lose? It doesn't cost you anything, not a dime, but it could save you thousands or more if it helps you avoid a problem in the future. If you don't take advantage of this time-limited free offer, nothing will change for you. You're still going to be nervous and uncertain with unanswered questions about what steps you should be taking. You won't be clued into the rules of these kinds of injury cases, and you're going to be less able to protect your rights and protect the value of your case if you have a case or claim. Please don't fool yourself into thinking that the personal injury case and claim system will protect you automatically. It will not. Do not be one of those people who trusts the legal system or the state of Illinois or an insurance company to ensure that things come out fair or all right. It's not gonna happen. Our legal system is an adversary system, and the more you know, the more you can avoid doing or saying something that could impact your future forever. My book and CD hand you the key to unlocking your peace of mind, knowing that you've learned the most common ins and outs of nursing home cases. Again, that toll-free 24-hour message order line, 866-861-1296. 866-861-1296. Thanks for watching and good luck.